This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2021 Bobcat T76 skid steer loader. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We ship anywhere inexpensively. We sell and ship equipment all over North America and overseas. This is an R series. It has a 74 horsepower diesel engine with 4,400 hours and a 2,900 pound operating capacity. This skid steer has a hydraulic attachment coupler, Bobcat joystick controls, and H-pattern controls. It has heat and AC, a camera, ride control, and a suspension seat. It is a 2-speed with auxiliary hydraulics, standard flow. The bucket is included. This machine fires right up and operates as it should, no smoke or apparent leaks. Please contact us for more information, www.edgeequipmentsales.com. Please subscribe for more.